Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac made their temporary condo guidelines permanent. These rules affect whether owners and buyers can qualify for conventional condo loans. Now, lenders must obtain and review any structural or mechanical inspection reports completed within the last 3 years, even if the HOA claims there are no issues. A poor inspection report can put the brakes on approval, and it affects buyers, sellers, and property values. Under the new guidelines, not all repairs are created equal. Routine repairs are preventative, part of normal upkeep, and covered in the budget or approved assessments. These repairs are not an issue. But critical repairs are a different story. A project can't qualify unless these are fully complete. Examples include mold or water intrusion, advanced deterioration, failed safety inspections, or unfunded repairs over $10,000 per unit. Think elevators, balconies, stairwells, foundations, or electrical systems. That's why boards and managers need to act early, fix critical issues now, or owners will risk losing financing options later.